Yo, what's up guys? So I'm currently in the FC right now, and I don't really know what video this is gonna be, but I thought I would just record to show you guys the updates and upgrades for the FC since the last time you guys saw it. Alright, so here we have the gauges and the single DIN radio along with a custom mount or bezel for both of them. So if we go ahead and put my key in, we can go ahead and see them in action. Yep, and we also have it linked to where if I turn on my headlights, they turn red. So it's kind of like a daytime, nighttime thing. So yeah, I'm beyond impressed about how this came out. Shout out to David and Bo. They're the ones that made all of this work, and you know, they just make the job so much easier for me. So big props to them. I couldn't thank them enough. They also helped me out with this steering column cover. So this used to just sit here and rattle all over the place. They ended up securing this down for me and making sure this sits. So now, you know, it looks like it's supposed to be there instead of just like rattling around everywhere. They also secured down this center console for me, and they replaced this spot right here with the alarm. So now if I arm the alarm with the new fob I also got from them, if I hit the arm, this will light up and it'll tell me that the alarm is on. I also got a kill switch. I can't really show you guys where that is because it's very difficult to get to, but that's the whole point. It's supposed to be hidden. But yeah, I have a kill switch installed into the FC now. Also, I don't know if you guys remember, but there used to be a bunch of wires hanging down here. And you know, all those wires got cleaned up and put where they're supposed to be. As well as the back bins over here. In my first introduction video of the FC, I think it's the second video on my channel, I went over how there were a bunch of random wires going through all the rear over here into these buckets and stuff. That's officially all cleaned up, and everything that was not needed was removed. All my speakers work as well, so that's a big plus. And you know, this thing's just becoming more and more of a street car, and that's, you know, that's what I want. Eventually I do want to take this to the track, but as a street car right now, it's becoming perfect. Well, we're here at Safeway, so let's go buy what I need to buy. People sleep on Cape Cod. Sleeper pick. Oh damn, but these are good too. The Hawaiian chips. They got my boy Jason Tatum. This shit kind of seems like ass though. Damn. Salt and vinegar always good too. Alright y'all. So I got myself some chips just when I'm chilling at home. And I think it's called a Chipotle wrap. I don't know. I just saw it, so I was like, let me try this. All right, let's go home. Oh, that's copyrighted. That's copyright. What are my temps at? Okay, let's try not to scrape on this. Scary, scary, scary. 68. We cannot go wide open throttle yet. I don't even know if I'll get the chance to go wide open throttle before I make it home. Ugh. Okay, angle this. $70. 71. Yeah, we cannot go wide open throttle. Not yet. Maybe no wide open throttle today. Bouncy. Definitely need to adjust my suspension again. We are definitely way too stiff. I think I need to add some air into my tires too. I mean, we are at operating temps. Definitely need to change my transmission fluid. A lot of things to do over winter break. I'll do that when all the boys are home. bumpy, bumpy. Okay.